Oh, it's not so bad. It's pretty good.
What it tastes like?
It tastes like shrimp.
That's nasty.
It tastes like Cheetos.
No, it tastes like shrimp to me.
Oh, shrimp. Yeah, it tastes like shrimp.
It tastes like shrimp. It tastes like
What it tastes like?
Shrimp.
You don't like it.
I don't taste shrimp.
what you taste?
I tasted a little. It tastes like
Cheetos.
a puffy, crunchy.
I tell you now,
Doesn't.
I cannot eat the whole bag though. Golly, that is a strong smell. It smells like sardines. You want to smell it? Smell it.
I don't. No, thank you.
Smell
I don't
it.
even like fish. Oh, that's
I
nasty.
smell
Yeah.
nothing.
It smells like sardines. It tastes like Cheetos almost.
Exactly.
But as you start biting,
It tastes like shrimp.
it tastes like shrimp.
What's that?
It tastes like shrimp. Naga, Mori,
Moraga.
Morinaga. 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 It's
How to say it like Morinaga.
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 I guess that's it. It's bitter chocolate. Hey, this is you. You love chocolate. It's melted.
It's melted
It's
already.
like something soft. Some of it's melted, some of it's like soft. Poop.
Exactly.
See? It looks like poop.
It's poop.
That's disgusting.
Alright, I'm gonna lick it. I'm gonna lick
Ew, don't.
It's poop.
That is really good. That is good. It's delicious. I wonder can I open it a little bit?
Let's put it in the freezer.
Grab that piece with your finger. Like grab. That tastes. It's good.
It's poop.
It's good, ain't it? It's really good. It tastes
Now
like
Daniel's
real
gonna be eating
chocolate.
some Morinaga.
But, it tastes like it looks like poop. Oh, you want a piece? Try that. Grab that.
That's a normal chocolate.
Oh no, it tastes really good. Put it in the freezer.
Did nobody want to offer me none?
Oh, you want to try it? I didn't know if you want to eat poop.
Ah! Poop.
I just didn't want no shrimp chips.
Man, shrimp chips are good.
Okay.
It tastes
break,
really
Oh,
good.
it tastes like
break it up. Right there.
That tastes really good.
Yeah, it tastes really good.
with that.
It's like a fancy version of Hershey's chocolate.
Not that morning.
Morinaga. Morinaga.
How'd it taste?
It's like semi-sweet chocolate.
Yeah?
It
Okay.
tastes like semi-sweet chocolate.
This is called yan yan.
Is it?
Yan
Yan yan.
Oh, it has dip.
Yeah, you gotta say it. Yan yan.
I'm not saying it like that. It has it's vanilla. It's vanilla
Yan
dip.
yan.
It says think big on the stick. Think big. I don't want that much.
What's the dip?
It tastes like cake. That's really good. It's vanilla.
Yan yan. Morinaga. Yan yan.
This is delicious. You want to try it?
Man, that's some freaking what's them things called? Used to eat in your lunch.
Rocky.
The little dipstick thingies.
Call
Little
Rocky.
cookie.
It's like
Dunkaroos.
It's Pocky. Call Pocky.
This is Pocky.
This is
The frosting tastes good.
yeah, this is addicting.
It says snail.
I would literally like.
Yeah,
I think
couldn't
mine
eat a
said
bunch of these.
fight. I didn't read
I
mine.
would totally like. Take
Did
my
yours say
hand
snail?
and, like, take it and then
Mine
put it in
says
the
something
bucket
like
and
fight
eat
or flight.
Okay.
Oh, they all say different things. Y'all didn't even read
yeah,
them.
they all say different things.
I
Okay.
didn't look at mine.
What does yours say?
What mine say?
Fail.
Okay, this is machi.
How did I get snail? Is that perfect for me? I'm a snail.
Machi, pocky, pocky machi.
Pocky, Pocky, Pocky,
It's
Pocky,
pocky green tea.
Pocky, Pocky.
I don't want that either.
I would try it, but I wouldn't try it. That's where it tastes like sweet tea.
I'm a little.
But I like sweet tea, so
I like
would try
pockies.
it.
I like the chocolate pocky.
It tastes like a cookie.
Ah, okay. Oh,
broken. Let me see if I get. That tastes pretty good actually.
Ready, go.
Alright, here we go.
Ready, go.
Pocky.
Pocky.
Man, bro. Man, they all breaking.
You can't just pick it up. Like,
I think I broke them when I picked it up.
I mean, they
like
come
all
in a
broken.
box.
What is it supposed to be?
Alright, let's see if I get a long one. Cause I'm only tasting the sticky part.
Could have been using your camera for this.
Oh, what?
Marinaga. Yeah.
Where's the kid too?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm trying to open it. I think because it was like
Oh, wait a minute.
It kinda-
That's not like wasabi.
they like really stuck together. Okay, well I got the green tea part. This is the green tea part.
So shouldn't you take like part of the top part and the green tea part and put it together? Did you just like throw it in?
Woo!
Take me.
Well, he doesn't like that one.
Take me.
That's a little strong.
You like it?
That's a little too strong. They like it's melted. It look like bamboo almost because it's like melted and stuck together.
Panda.
See, it
Cool.
look like bamboo. It's like
But
oh.
Praise him, baby. Praise him. Let him
Okay,
bless
I'll leave it
you.
alone.
Can we get an usher? Can we get an usher?
Daddy, you'll never make it.
Ooh, God, oh, that's strong. Yeah, I'm gonna eat cake.
I'm gonna have some cake.
I need to watch
Yin
my
yin.
Wi-Fi.
Back to the.
This
Back
one
at it
says
again.
Wool sweater.
Elephant.
So what's
Jumbo elephant?
you're fat?
Hey.
Not just an elephant.
Pick one. See what it looks like.
What does it say on the front? Is it in?
Yin yin. Look inside fun words.
Brown. Beetle.
Your brown beetle. Huh. Let me try one more.
How many is in here? Ain't nothing in there. Oh,
Yes, it is. You're reach.
I can't get it out. My fingers are too fat.
What does yours say? Yours says the alphabet.
I'm a frog amphibian. I was
Yeah,
a snail and I'm a frog.
Give it. Oh.
What?
Yeah, the
What you
frosting.
did? Really?
What'd you
What?
get?
No, I didn't.
What'd you get?
What you get? What I get?
This is
I got another wool sweater.
Destiny, this is the whole thing.
Where the heck did the sweater come from? What did you get?
I got a beetle, lucky color.
And he got a wool sweater. What the crap?
Okay, the pockets got
Is there
go.
a theme?
The pockets are too strong. That's something you just eat
For no reason.
on special.
Did you order?
What is? Which one? Yin Yin?
No, this.
Oh.
I can't sit here and eat this entire box.
No, you won't.
The chocolate
can eat
ones,
one
I can
piece.
eat.
Eat the
The green tea thing, I can eat.
Yin
Well, the rest of
Yin.
these, I don't want.
Me.
You know, I was playing basketball.
You need those in your lunch, Daniel. Those are cookies.
Oh, we got one more thing. The French biscuit.
Oh, they have broken.
Uh-oh. It's kind of flaky.
What the? That look like a cookie. That look like a cookie.
Is that
It
a,
tastes like animal.
is that a
product.
Pop-Tart?
Oh!
What's that?
It's called the French biscuit. No, it tastes like
It's called a French biscuit.
a vanilla wafer. That's what it tastes like.
Oh, let me taste. What is it called?
French biscuit. It tastes like a vanilla wafer.
With cinnamon? Don't ever disrespect the vanilla wafer like that. That's disrespectful. That's a cinnamon.
Is there a way to edit the
It
video
tastes like
or
vanilla wafer to
something?
me.
With cinnamon?
Yeah, them shrimp chips taste good.
Tastes like vanilla wafer. Like,
This one says gallop away.
yeah, with cinnamon.
Is there a way
This
to
was really
edit
good, honey.
the
You try
video?
that lychee candy. Lychee.
Get a hammer and break it. How many is in there?
That's the last one of that one. But I still have some more. I got a strawberry. I haven't tasted strawberry. Man,
It
that was
tastes
good.
disgusting. It tastes
Ah! He did it again.
What?
You're supposed to break it so we all can taste it.
I already tasted it.
It tastes good.
Is there a way to
And then he
edit?
gonna tell it.
Is there a way to edit the video?
You recording this? I want to try the noodles. I want to try these noodles, but another day.
What?
I don't want that in
What
the
is
video.
Okay, what is this? How do you cook this?
I ain't gonna eat that. How do you
Prepare shredded squid.
That's hot sauce soup. Hot sauce soup.
How do you say this?
It says it's
Kanoka
hot.
koku.
I guess you just open it and eat it.
What?
Kanoka koku. Stop moving.
Come on for what?
Put it back.
I don't think you cook it. I think you just eat it.
Kanoka koku. Come here and bring it. Oh, you crunched it.
See, it's squid, sugar, salt, vinegar, red pepper.
It's a chip.
Contains fish, squid, and milk. I'm gonna try it.
I'm
gonna try a piece. I'm gonna try a piece.
It says
I'm gonna smell it.
Coke.
Ooh, no, I'm not eating it.
Kaku kaku. Kaku
I'm
kiko
not
kak.
eating it. I'm not
What does that say?
eating it. This
Kaku
smells like
kiko
hell.
ka. Kakaku ka.
I'm not eating it.
Kakeka kako.
I can't eat it.
It's a lot
That's
happening
too
right now.
much.
Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure you want
I
to
can't
eat that.
I can't eat
Don't
it.
eat it. Don't eat it.
I can't. Ugh. I still smell it. I can't eat it.
What does it smell like? Fish?
You don't want to smell that. You don't want to
Oh,
smell that.
that make my stomach hurt. Oh, it made me want to throw up.
Bye.
It smells like fish, but it smells like fish that has
Your
sat
best
outside
friend
and
is-
rotten. That's what it smells like.
Ew. What are you doing?
Your best friend is
Here, take cocoa. Kaku
Sheep.
ki kakapa kaka.
Kakui.
Kakapi kaka. Kakuku.
What?
Kanukuku. Kanukuku.
Put
I'm not
this in.
gonna give this to.
No, don't throw it away. You gotta taste a little bit.
I'm not tasting this.
That tastes like death. Death.
This smells so bad.
But it might taste good. That's like chitlins, though. You like chitlins?
Yes, chili smell good too.
That's a lie.
It smell good to me. This.
If you would smell that, you would literally like pretend like
I'm
it's
scared
not-
this gonna make me throw up if I try it.
No.
You have to commit.
I ain't had to commit to nothing. I take a little piece, but I'm holding my breath.
No, Daddy, no.
Daddy, no.
Daddy, no.
I just want to taste a string.
No.
Just taste a little piece. You've come this far. Don't stop now. Really?
Yeah, really.
You ain't passed out? What it tastes like? Hot sauce soup?
Here, you need.
Hot sauce soup? No?
No.
Hot
I
sauce
have
soup
a
got
nasty taste in my mouth now, just in that little piece.
squid and nasty mess in it. You eat that?
No, thank you.
Well,
I want you to eat that for 100 grand.
you just ate it for free. Ah.
Huh?
You just ate it for free.
Hey, a piece. I'm talking about the bag.
Oh,
I'm getting
Look.
50 off the cake.
what does it say? I can't see that.
Horse. And it has
Okay,
a
that's
little
much
horse.
better. God, dog.
It don't say unicorn.
That was nasty.
What'd you eat?
A cookie off the cake.
Peace out.